Predictive maintenance is primarily used to detect upcoming system failures and prevent them using appropriate corrective measures. Using machine learning with predictive maintenance, we can analyze a massive volume of data and detect all possible failures that may lead to various financial and business losses. There are several predictive maintenance applications with machine learning, including manufacturing plants, power plants, railways, aviation, oil and gas industries, logistics and transportation, etc. Manufacturing and IoT. Predictive maintenance is widely used in manufacturing industries to supervise the production procedure through timely detection of faults and eliminate them before they malfunction using IoT. Hence, it increases the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process. Automotive and vehicles. Various technologies connect vehicles to the sensor already enabled in the vehicle by manufacturers or dealers. These sensors collect all information and produce a massive amount of data directly retrieved by manufacturers or dealers who warn us about any possible failure and corrective measures to prevent them before any malfunction. Utility suppliers. Predictive maintenance techniques help utility suppliers to perform better internal work, such as predicting early traits of supply, demand issues, outage issues, etc. Insurance. Various banking and financial institutions use predictive maintenance techniques to predict accurate analytics on disastrous weather conditions.